Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will teach you about how to make AI TikTok Shop affiliate videos with Creatify. Make sure to watch all the way through to not miss a single step. If you are starting your side hustle creating short videos and put it into any social media or e-commerce platform, and you don't have a good editing skill or too shy to talk in the camera, you may need a video generator tools to help you maximize your video creation. Creatify is one of the best tools out there to help you with this. To begin, create an account first, go every step through, and get to the dashboard. Select a product first that you want to promote. It is better to grab one from a complete product site like Amazon that have a bunch of contents like pictures, videos, and product description. I select this backpack that can carry an Xbox console inside. Copy the link and paste it. And then Creatify start to generate. Give a title, review the product description, select the assets available. Next, we can select script and voice intonation to narrate in the video. And also we can choose available avatar given from Creatify. Then Creatify start to generate the draft video, and it may take a while. After that, Creatify will give us up to 15 videos for us to choose and render to the final video. Since I use a free plan, I only have 10 credits, means that I can only create 2 videos per month in Creatify, and the video will have a watermark everywhere. After that, the video starts to render and it may take a while. And yes, the final version is here. Pretty easy, and it only takes 10 minutes to do this. That's it. Thank you for watching and good luck.